Hello students, welcome back to our chemistry class, and today we'll start our next chapter number 3, acid, bases and salts. And today we'll cover acids. At page number 38, definition of acid is given. Compounds which contain one or more hydrogen atoms and when dissolved in water produce hydronium ion, the only positively charged ion. Underline this definition. At page number 37, 3 definitions of acids are given. But for 10th standard exams, you have to learn this definition only. Now let's understand this definition with the help of examples. So let's take one compound, HCl. Now let's see what happens when it is dissolved in water. In the previous chapter, we have learned that HCl, it is polar covalent compound, and when it is dissolved in water, it ionizes. It ionizes means it forms ion H positive and Cl negative. And this H positive ion with water molecule forms hydronium ion. This H positive with this form hydronium ion, and what is left? Cl negative. So here this is one compound that when dissolved in water forms only one positive charge, that is hydronium ion. Let's take one more example. HNO3 dissolved in water. Now again it will ionize and form H positive and NO3 negative ion, and this H positive with water molecule forms hydronium ion. Because of this positive charge, this hydronium ion carry positive charge, plus it is left negative ion, that is nitrate ion. So here these are the compounds when dissolved in water, they form only one positive charge, that is hydronium ion. So this is the definition of acid ion. Acids, that the compounds which contain one or more hydrogen and when dissolved in water they produce hydronium ion. So in these acids they contain only one hydrogen. Now let's take one example of acid that contains two hydrogen ions. So the sulfuric acid, it contains two hydrogen ions, so it will produce two hydrogen ions, and sulfate SO2 negative. So two hydrogen ions will combine with two molecules of water and will form two hydronium ions plus sulfate ions. So I hope you understood the definition, that the compounds which contain one or more hydrogen atoms and when dissolved in water they form hydronium ion, the only positively charged ions. Next is classification of acids. So first classification is depending on the sources. So we got acids from plants or we obtained acid from minerals. So on the basis of sources, there are two types of acids, organic acids and inorganic acids. So what are organic acids? The acids which we obtained from plants, and all the organic compounds, they always contain carbon. In the organic compounds, carbon is essential part. So all the organic compound acids, they contain carbon, and these organic acids are weak acids, as we use vinegar in cooking because that is a weak acid. Why these are weak acids? Because they do not ionize completely in the solution. And one more question is there. Name the particles present in the weak acids. So names of the particles are ions as well as molecules. So what are weak acids? These are the acids which contain two type of particles, ions and as well as molecules, and they do not ionize completely in the solution.